guys, I'm Young. So the other day I was playing with Insta360 One X2, which is my favorite 360 cameras out there right now. So I wanted to go and ride bicycles. So what did I bring? I only brought this. Well, actually, I was lying because I also brought Insta360 Go 2 as well. But this was gonna be my main sort of camera to try out. And also I realized in the app there's one mode that I haven't tried before. And actually it's nothing new. If you already have Insta360 One X2, you would have already tried out. So with Insta360 One X2, because it's 360-degree camera, there is this mode called like drone FPV mode. So since I haven't actually flown FPV drone as yet, I still want to. I just had not yet had the courage to actually try out yet. So with this little camera, you can try this fly-through mode, which is the equivalent of FPV drone or fake FPV drone mode. So what it does is if you hold it with a selfie stick and then fly it like this way, then what this camera captures, and you have to have it connected to your mobile phone, but what it captures is what it sees in front, this direction. So something like this. So this is me outdoor and I was trying like a javelin athlete. Here we go. And then once you've gone through, then what you need to do is basically put this pause button inside the app and go to the place, start that pause button again and continue your way through. And what I tried to do is, go through the bike, go through the ring and then come out the other way so that it looks like the drone has gone this way and then turned and came out. However, it was a little bit difficult. So inside the app, the AI feature will just edit the entire footage for you, which means you don't have a lot of room to edit yourself, which is good. It makes life simple. However, at the same time, you kind of need to make it perfect so that it will actually really look like a drone FPV. So for me, I attempted so many times, but none of them actually looked that perfect. Especially when I turned the direction the other way, they would somehow, cut it at a place where it thought would be appropriate, and then it did not quite make it. Still, I thought it looked pretty cool. So for me to overcome this AI automatic feature, what I did was basically just run around with it on my own. And then here's the footage that I got. So what do you guys think? I mean, as long as you slap on that, drone FPV sound effect and so on, then I think it looks pretty convincing. So with Insta360 One X2, I realized there are a lot of features that I still need to experiment, a lot of different short labs that I have to try out that I have not yet tried out. So still, I really enjoy it and I still can have a lot of fun with this little camera. So yeah, that's it from me. I am thinking about doing a pre-Prime Day live session in Young360 channel. If you guys have any questions about any gears that I have, because you guys might be buying some new gears in Prime Day, then please feel free to ask me in live and just let's chit chat about tech. So I'll come back with other interesting tech reviews. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and have a good weekend and see you.